Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everyone. Preston Vogel here with Target Trading Academy. Today is Wednesday, October 27th. It is 3:57 p.m. as we are drawing to a close in our markets here today. This is your micros market recap, starting with oil. Oil's been closed for a while. Let's go ahead and condense this. Whoops, wrong way. So oil opened in range yesterday from yesterday's balance, found support down below where we quickly rejected it and made our way up for a winner for a reversal short just before news came out. That's what this large area is for here. So winner on that reversal area from those HVAs that were called out the night before, where it eventually made its way back down to that level of support for yet another rally into the range from yesterday. After that, we had that lunch movement, and we found some more potential trades and winners down here, namely there and there. So some winners today. The markets in general were pretty slow after the first hour or so. Gold, pretty lackluster in its movements. Opened inside yesterday's range, quickly went to the point of control and sat there for a very long time before breaking away from it and finding some support inside of the HVA, still inside yesterday's range, and we have ended inside yesterday's range, so not too much movement in gold. The equities, again, like I said, they were pretty slow today. We did have some setups that were available based off those HVA levels. Right off the open, you had this reversal at that HVA edge. We opened inside of yesterday's range, obviously, came down and did a little bit of an extension through it before it came back into balance again from yesterday's range to the point of control, where it just created this consolidation and sideways movement. Not ideal for trading, but eventually it did give another signal. Even though it's been there before, it still created another signal for the students to take, whether they took it or not. And then it just made its way to the point of control, and then it's leaving that. And then during the afternoon hours, this slowly came down to give another entry. I'm already done trading by this time. This is well after lunch. For the students, there are some students that took it on the minis, but other than that, it is breaking through and making some new lows for the day. Now, Nasdaq, for the most part, stayed inside, is actually still inside yesterday's range. Did peak out at one point, but we'll get to that. But it opened up inside of yesterday's range, pretty much at the point of control. Had that sideways consolidation before breaking out, finding resistance at those HVAs that we give out the night before for not one winner, but two at least. I believe there's a third. Not quite sure. No, two, yeah. And then going back towards the point of control, finding that support again, and heading up, and then towards lunch it would head up to the contract range. And yesterday's high, those being the same, and making a new high for the day before coming back into balance and ultimately to the point of control. So again, not too much going on in the markets. It was pretty lackluster in terms of movement, but there are still opportunities as we see. So that actually makes 4 opportunities on this edge alone in the micro Nasdaq. Now let's get into some of the entries that some of our students took. Starting with Roman, he took an overnight trade up 190 live in the micro Dows. Yes, that's micros at the HVA edge that was given out several hours before he took that. And then we have Roman with yet another entry, this time about an hour or so before the markets open in the micro ES, up another 120 live real money at that HVA edge that was given out the night before. Now, this isn't in the micros, but this is the minis. This is oil again. Morgan is in the micros room, transitioning between micros to minis. She trades the mini oil. She has a $110 winner live real money off of that HVA edge. Well managed by her. Next, we have William. He decided to go for the micro Dow reversal right at the open. It opened at the point of control pretty much, and then came down to that ranged low from having such a small range comparatively the day before. And understandably, he lost. That's okay. You can't win them all. He did execute according to our methodologies. There were some telltale signs that would have made you reduce your risk, as he's done and gone down to 2. So obviously, those methodologies and rules of money management are being applied. And Roman's last trade of the day is a trending entry, taught only to live students, up another 188.50. So he's about $500, if not more, live real money trading micros. $500 a day is no laughing matter. $100 additional every day is no laughing matter to your current job, to say the least. Not even, any extra amount of money you can get per day is no laughing matter. So he's killing it in the micros, making his way up, getting ready to transition into the minis. Lastly, we have Darlene up $15 live real money, taking a reversal a little too eagerly, I would say. She's already been told about this. She had an opportunity to take the better entry beforehand. Nonetheless, still live, up $15. And that'll be a wrap of the trades that we took or are looking at today, apart from the other dozens of maybe 50, 60 other trades that were sent in. Today's micros recap, again, not too much going on in the markets, yet still opportunity to make money if you act on it. If you're interested in finding out why we have so many live successful students in our rooms on the daily, come check us out. We are Target Trading Academy. Find us on Facebook. Visit our page there. Get in touch with a representative where they will be able to show you our rooms, give you a free lesson, and show you why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Or visit us on our website at targettradingacademy.com and get in touch with us there. We'll see you in the rooms.